The Google Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro might not bringing a radical design change like the Pixel 6, but that's probably a good thing because it marked the adoption of a new design style for Google devices along with an exciting features like the Tensor G2 chip. Just like Android 13, the Pixel 7 focuses on improvement over new features, means there isn't anything that surprises us. However, plenty of new features still makes the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro the most anticipated phone of this year. Firstly, we have the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro price remains unchanged, which means we have the same $599 for the Pixel 7 and $899 for the Pixel 7 Pro respectively. It's a welcome sight because of the price hike in other brands. But aside from the price drop, a slightly design tweak and more subtle color option, the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro don't have much to show on the surface. The new Google official listed dimension for the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro suggested that they even so slightly smaller than their predecessor just by a millimeter here and there. Pixel phones have been rumored for their photography mainly thanks to Google's fantastic image processing software. This is the reason why Google hasn't felt the need to change the 50 megapixel primary and 12 megapixel of ultra wide lens found on the Pixel 6 Pro and the Pixel 6. However, the front-facing camera is identical to the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro, which is capable of 4K video recording at 60 frames per second. It's sure to fulfill all your selfie dreams. Next, there is a macro focus and a super zoom on the Google Pixel 7. Thanks to this new image processing and software side, two new features greatly expand the Pixel 7 camera capabilities. Both phones can come with a super zoom up to 8 times on the Pixel 7 and 30 times on the Pixel 7 Pro. The Pro also comes with a macro focus mode allowing you to capture a subject between 1 and 2 inches away. Overall, the Pixel 7 phones offer the same fantastic camera experience, so it's going to be a nice thing to have. And this new Tensor chipset promise a mild performance boost over the previous generation, but that's not what we are excited about. The Tensor chip inside the Pixel 6 Pro phones power Google machine learning tools, allowing the phones to translate languages in real time to operate and make complicated camera tricks accessible for everyone. The G2 is behind the super zoom features on the Pixel 7 Pro, and additional tools like cinematic blur and face unblur are also just because of this new chip. Google said at the I/O that the chip would drive advancement in speech, photography, video, and security, and it's doing that in the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. We can expect a new Tensor powered features to come later this year, which is a new VPN or Google One services. Next, the face unlock was a feature on the Pixel 4, but it was dropped on the later models. The return of this feature on the Pixel 7 is nice to see, and thankfully it doesn't come at the cost of the fingerprint unlock. Many of the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro fingerprint scanner bugs have been ironed out over the last year, but they are still not perfect. So we hope that this new Pixel 7 scanner will be better as compared to its predecessor. And you already know that the Pixels are the first devices when it comes to Android side to be updated. They receive Android updates before any other device, so the Pixel 7 will be the first in the line for any future Android update. Google will be providing you a 3-year software update and a 5-year of security update too, which is a nice thing. And the Pixel 7 is a fine choice if you are looking for a phone that will last you longer. And guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.